Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this video, I'm gonna talking about prevent extension in the object. Object to object, yeah. So what this method does is prevent new properties forever being added to that object, or you can say in the future we can't add any properties to it. So what we're gonna do is um just create an empty object and use the uh, object method. What I'm gonna do, it's from the another video, I didn't do that. So if we check directly now is log it on by logging on a console, use the object. It has a is extensible property which will give you a boolean that is that gonna take any extension or not, or you can say is that gonna take any properties or not. So when you do that, and let me check the spelling. I have very bad spelling mistakes sometimes. Extensible, yeah, that's okay. And pass the object1. When you're done with that, it's gonna say true because we didn't do anything long until now. And now cut that and remove this, the comment, don't comment out that, and paste this. If we use the prevent object, it's gonna say false. And if you try to add object after it, it's gonna say the type error. So let me show you. I'm gonna try to add an object. Use the try catch block, or you can say this is what we call the error handling method. And now what we're gonna do is try to object dot define property. We're gonna defining a property here, property, and pass object1 comma property 1. So as you know, the first is the object1, the object we're gonna put that, and the property, and after the property, what we put inside the property is a string. So anything, it could be number 2, so value as a key element, and inside that what we're gonna is a value as a page to 42. Don't get confused though. And when you try that, we want to log if it has any error, which will be it has a error, and log it on a console, that error. So there is a syntax error. So this is what we get, that what is wrong with this. Oh, that's another error, sorry about that. So when we do that, it will give you the total type error. Cannot define the property 1 because object 1 is not extensible at the function. So this is what it gives. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.